Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and modern round pillow. The full written pattern is on my website, and on my Etsy shop you can find the ad-free PDF printable pattern. I will leave for you all the links mentioned on the description box down below. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll get notified for all the new exciting patterns coming on this channel. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I am going to start with a super chunky, as you can see, a very chunky yarn, and also I'm going to use a 6 mm hook. So we are going to start with a magic circle, like this, and then pull up a loop, and then we do one chain. Okay, so inside of the magic circle we are going to crochet 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, at the first single crochet I will put a marker. Okay, let's continue. 3. Once I have the 8th one, I will pull the end of the yarn. So I have 8 single crochets. This means that I will have 8 sections. I will show you later on. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I will work both loops. So I will start the pattern for the second row. I will start for the first stitch. The pattern for the second row is 1 increase on each section, which means that on each stitch I will do 2 single crochets. So single crochet in the first stitch, and again in the same stitch another single crochet. Let's put back the marker. So what I did here for the first stitch, I'm gonna do for the rest of the stitches. So on each stitch I will do 1 increase. So at the end of the second round I am going to have 16 stitches, right? Okay, so in the next stitch again 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and continue to do that until you arrive at the end. Here we are, this is how it will look like, and now we start round number 3. So the pattern for one section, so as I told you we have 8 sections, and I will tell you the pattern for one section, and that you are going to repeat it 8 times. Okay, so the pattern for the third round for one section is the first stitch 1 increase single crochet, and the second stitch 1 single crochet. So take out the marker, and then we will do 1 increase with single crochet, so 1 and 2 single crochet in the same place. Put the marker at the first stitch so you know where the section starts. Okay, and then the pattern follows for the second stitch 1 single crochet. So this is the pattern for one section. We will repeat this pattern 7 more times. At the end of round number 3, you will have 24 stitches in total. So this is the second section now. So 1 increase, which means 2 single crochet in one stitch, and then 1 single crochet. And I will repeat this 6 more times, and I will meet you here for the pattern of the 4th round. Here we are, I finished row number 3, and I will start the pattern for round number 4. So the pattern for round number 4 is going to be like this. The first stitch 1 single crochet, so take out the marker and then 1 single crochet, put back the marker, which means this is the beginning of the row, and then the second stitch 1 increase, which means 2 single crochet in one stitch, and then the pattern continues. The third stitch 1 single crochet. So this is the pattern for one section, and we will repeat this pattern 1 single crochet, 1 increase single crochet, 1 single crochet. We will repeat this pattern 7 more times. At the end of round number 4 you will have 32 stitches. Here we are, I finished round number 4, and we will start the pattern for round number 5. The pattern for round number 5 is going to be 1 increase, which means that the first stitch 2 single crochets in one stitch, So 1 and 2. And then we will have 3 single crochets. So for the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. This is the pattern for one section. You will repeat this pattern 7 more times. At the end of round number 5, you will have 40 stitches. Okay, here we are. I finished round number 5. I will start the pattern for round number 6. The pattern for round number 6 is going to be first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet on each, which means, so the first stitch, 1 single crochet, put back the marker, second stitch, 1 single crochet, and then third stitch, 1 increase, so 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then fourth stitch, 1 single crochet, and fifth stitch, 1 single crochet. Okay, so the pattern, 2 single crochets, 1 increase single crochet, and then 2 single crochet. This is the pattern for one section, and we have 8 sections, so I'm going to repeat this pattern 7 more times. At the end of round number 6, I will have 48 stitches in total. Here we are. I finished round number 6, and I will start round number 7. But for round number 7 and round number 8, I'm not gonna do any more increases. So round number 7 and round number 8, I will just crochet on each stitch 1 single crochet. So I will have for round number 7 48 stitches in total, and round number 8 again 48 stitches in total. So I will finish round number 7 and 8, and I will meet you here for the pattern of round number 9. Okay, here we are. I finished round number 8, and now I will start the pattern for round number 9, which is first stitch, 1 increase, and then next 5 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. 1 increase, which means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Put back the marker at the first stitch, and then for the next 5 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5. So this pattern I am going to repeat 7 more times until I arrive at the end over here. At the end of round number 9, you must have 56 stitches in total. Okay, here we are. I finished round number 9, and I will start the pattern for round number 10, which is first 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each, and then we have 1 increase, and then we have for the next 3 stitches, again 1 single crochet on each. So let's start. So first 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, put back the marker at the first stitch, and then the pattern follows 1 increase, so 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, and then for the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Okay, so this is the pattern for one section. You will repeat this pattern 7 more times all around until you arrive at the marker. At the end of round number 10, you will have 64 stitches in total. Okay, I finished round number 10, and I will start the pattern for round 11. So the pattern is going to be like this. First stitch, 1 increase, which means 2 single crochet in the same stitch. I will put back the marker, and then for the next 7 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 3, 4. Here we are. This is the pattern for one section. We will repeat this section 7 more times until we arrive at the end. At the end of round 11, you will have in total 72 stitches. Here it is. I finished round number 11, and now I will start round 12, which is the first 4 stitches, 1 single crochet on each, and then the 5th stitch 1 increase, and then the next 4 stitches again 1 single crochet on each. So let's start the pattern. So the first 4 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, the 5th stitch 1 increase, so 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then for the next 4 stitches 1 single crochet on each. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet. Okay, so this is the pattern for one section. You will repeat this pattern 7 more times until you arrive at the end of round 12. At the end of round 12 you will have 80 stitches in total. Okay, you guys, here it is. I finished round 12 and now I will continue with round 13, 14, 15 and 16. So from round 13 until round 16 I'm not gonna do any increase anymore. So I will go around for another 4 more rounds and I will crochet 80 stitches in total. Okay, so on each stitch 1 single crochet, so no more increases. So I will meet you once I'm finished with the 4 rounds. Okay, you guys, here it is. I already finished all and it will get like a cupping because I stopped doing the increases and we need this one. Okay, so it's going to be like this. So once I arrive at the last one, I did the last stitch. I will take out the marker, of course, and I will do 1 slip stitch here like this, pull up, and I will leave some yarn. I will pull some yarn because I will use this yarn for the sewing. Okay, so once you do this one piece, you do a second one, which I already did. I have it up here. Now this is the front part, right? So this is the front part as well. So I will put one on top of the other one and I will just sew the edges for half of it from the outer part. And I will start to sew. I will start to sew 2 by 2. So you will get 2 stitches, the stitches from here and then the 2 stitches from here, and just sew like this. Okay, take the stitches, 2 loops here and the other 2 loops on the other side. I will sew like half of it and then I will stop and then I will insert the cushion inside and then I will continue the sewing. Okay guys, here it is. I also made it full from inside, so it's round like this. Actually, I will push it a little bit. Okay, so now the next thing that I will do is put pom-poms all around. Let me give you some measurements. 37 cm. Okay, so if you want to make it smaller, you just make less rounds. If you want to make it bigger, just go with more rounds. Okay, so now let's do the pom-poms and sew them on the side. Okay guys, so here it is, the full cushion. It's finished like this, and now all around here we're gonna put these pom-poms. I will show you very quick how to do them. So just take some yarn. In my case I had very thin one because the one finished, the bulky one, so I will just go around my fingers, but I will leave some space up here. So we'll just go like this for 150 rounds. So it will be some kind like this, and then I will take some yarn, some kind of like this, put this in the middle and tighten it very, very tight. You have this, take your scissors, be careful that you don't cut this. Keep this on your hand like this, and then the others we need to trim. Place the pom-pom at the side of the pillow where you made the sewing. Insert the hook, grab and pull one side of the long strand, Then insert the hook on the other side and pull the other strand. Then tie the 2 strands tight as many times as you want to. Then just cut the excess yarn. Follow the same action for all the pom-poms one by one, putting them all around the pillow. And congratulations, you got yourself a beautiful and modern round pillow. I would love to see your take on this pattern, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram or just use hashtag by Stella M so I can see your work. So I will see you on my next one. Tschüss everybody!